All right, guys, welcome back to another video of Shaman J. Yes, it was inevitable. I was going to get the Pixel 8. I had to. I just, that's just how it is. I had to get it. No, I didn't have to get it, but I really wanted to experience this because I am one of those people who likes a smaller style device. So I just grabbed a base model 128 because honestly, this will be a rotation device. Seriously, when I'm going between the bigger versions, here's my Obsidian, and this is the one that Google sent over, the bay color. Absolutely, just phenomenal. You know what I mean? So, yeah, I'm pretty excited to be able to bring in the 8. I think some of you guys were saying a while back, why aren't you bringing in the 8? There's no love for the 8. Yeah, always gonna review the smaller variant and the more affordable variant because, sometimes buying the most expensive one is probably not the move. So this has 60 to 120 hertz display on here, 1400 nits of HDR brightness. Peak brightness is 2000. That's pretty doggone good. You got a dual rear camera setup, a wide lens and an ultra wide lens. You've got the Tensor G3 chip, which is really nice. The Google Tensor G3. Yeah. You got 8 gigs of RAM, a 4,575 milliamp hour battery, easily going to be able to make it through the day. You got the Titan M2 chip, obviously, and so on and so on and so on. So, let's go ahead and get this. Oh, the Hazel looks pretty decent, man. The Hazel looks pretty decent. Yeah, it looks pretty good, man. Okay. The Hazel looks good. Now, obviously, I still have my 7, so you can see how much smaller it is than the 7 with it being rounded off like this. Same type of camera bar, but looking at the cameras on here, the module is obviously a little bit different, but I'm really feeling like the brushed green look around there. That is really nice, man. They did a pretty decent job with this hardware rounding everything off. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Yeah, I like this, man. It is a nice round, and I love the color. And it's smaller. This has I believe a 6.2 inch display. Yeah, it's got a 6.2 inch display. Where's my 7A? Here's my 7A. And you can see how the 7A is. I mean, this is 7A has a 6.1 inch display, but look at the body of this phone, man. This is crazy. That's pretty incredible, man. Let me fire this up real quick here. And obviously here is the 6A. I mean, this is impressive, to say the least. This is impressive. Let me see if I can get signed past the screens, and then I'll come right back. Well, you know what? I'll go ahead and do it. So, I mean, I did go ahead and grab my Obsidian Pixel 8, and it's a Pixel family, and I'm doing a transfer, so we'll be right back. So it is setting up and it's copying over information. Just stay locked, stay with me, keep watching. I'm going to get on to some more deep dive into the phone. All right, so I'm doing the transfer and everything, but ultimately, folks, I'm going to dig into this device here a lot. I really love the Hazel color. I actually have a brand new Pixel watch in Hazel that I got when I bought my Pixel Fold here. So this will take a little bit of time, but it's not too bad. But here is my my 6A, and you can see just how well they've done with these bodies by rounding these things off. Rounding off the pixels, like for this newer generation, just makes it seem like it's so much smaller and more compact than what it really is. And then the 7A has a 6.1 inch display, but the body of it is bigger. I don't know how well you can tell that, but this is since it's boxy, it's a little bit bigger. You know what I mean? But the main comparison and the main showstopper, the main thing I wanted to do was compare it next to the 7. This is the 8 and this is the 7. And we'll see how this really plays out. I'm actually kind of surprised at how much better this feels. Now the 7 does have a 6.3 inch display, but there's some great strides and improvements on it, man. It just feels really good to have it rounded, and just that little bit of dip in display. It's all right, man. I think you'll like this right here because it's rounded. It's still a full display. It's just that 6.2, 6.3, but rounded body. You know what I mean? So yeah, man. This is looking pretty good, son. This is really good. They did a great job with making this small upgrade that they did. And it's just a matter of, when I compare these, it's not going to be something really dramatic or anything like that. Here's Bay, and I'm actually copying from my Obsidian. And here they are, man. I mean, Google has done a phenomenal freaking job, man. They did a good job. There's no getting around it. They did a great freaking job. The Hazel looks way better in person than I thought it was going to look. I mean, here's the squad, man. I got more pixels, but they're the other generation. And here's the squad. This is so lovely right here to have a deep integration here with the Pixel, the Google ecosystem. I love, and sadly, these two are getting all the love right now. But this one, I actually activated a new line, so I'm back up to 3 lines temporarily. But I'll be sure to give you as much as I can with the Pixel 8, man, because right now I have a line on this one, and then I have a line on my iPhone. But I'll be rotating. Oh, did I tell you what was recording? Did I tell you guys? This is being recorded by the OnePlus Open. What do you think about this quality? The OnePlus Open does very well when it comes to displaying colors. Like, look at all the different colors here. Ooh, yeah. This should be, oh, it's done. It's activating everything. This is really nice, man. I'm really feeling this, man. Yeah, I like having a deep squad like this, man. We're going to make it about the Pixel 8 though. We ain't going to give everything to the other Pixel members. We're going to let them get his shine, you know what I mean? But this color really is what it's about, man. And having the new version of this previous generation. I didn't get rid of this because I really liked it. And I really wanted to show you, because honestly, this will probably move to a main driver at some point. It's going to move to a main driver. But, ultimately, we're all set. Can I get a screenshot of that? I can. Ultimately, this will, and it pulled in the wallpaper, I think, from this Obsidian. I think it did. Yeah, it pulled in that wallpaper. I'm going to go into the wallpapers real quick because I want to see the wallpapers on here. More wallpapers. Let's see. It's the mineral joints. So I'm going to go ahead and put a green joint on here. Hazel or something like this. Something to go with the Hazel theme we got going on here. This is pretty nice. I'm feeling this. We'll just change it to that for now. I'm impressed. I am impressed. It's downloading all of my apps, getting it ready. This is fire right here. Got my grid already set the way I want it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it so far. Yeah, this is going to be a decent experience. I know it is. So here it is, man. For those that thought I wasn't gonna grab the Pixel 8, yeah, I had to get it, man. I had to get it. I mean, you think about it. Google sent me to Bay, and I loved it so much. I was like, man, I gotta try that Obsidian again because I wanted to see the matte feel to it. But yeah, man, slight flex. No, we're not gonna do it. It's your man J, Team Pixel in the house. Stand up. If you buy a Pixel and you like Pixels and you rock with stock Android and you just really love the way Google does their things, I think you're gonna love the size of this device. It is very nice. It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.